Are you scared of AI? You see headlines about robots taking our jobs, super intelligent machines turning against us. It sounds like a sci-fi movie nightmare, right? Well, take a deep breath. Before you start stockpiling canned goods and preparing for a robot apocalypse, let's talk about what's really happening. I get it, the unknown can be scary, but a lot of the fear around AI comes from misunderstanding what it is and what it does. First, let's clear something up. The AI we have today is not a conscious being plotting world domination. It's what we call neuro-AI. Think of it as a super specialized tool. The AI that beats a grandmaster at chess can't write a poem. The AI that recommends movies on your favorite streaming service can't drive a car. Each one is incredibly good at its one specific task, but that's it. They don't have feelings, desires, or evil plans. They are just complex algorithms processing data to achieve a goal we set for them. So what about jobs? This is a big one. Yes, AI and automation will change the job market. They always have. Think about it, when ATMs were introduced, people worried about bank tellers becoming obsolete. When spreadsheets became common, people worried about accountants. But what happened? New jobs were created. We adapted. The same is happening now. AI is automating repetitive, data-heavy tasks, which frees up humans to do what we do best. Be creative, think critically, and connect with each other. It's not about replacement, it's about collaboration. Imagine a doctor using AI to analyze thousands of medical scans in minutes, spotting diseases earlier and more accurately. The AI is a powerful assistant, not a replacement for the doctor's expertise in patient care. Now, let's talk about the Skynet scenario, the idea of a superintelligence that sees humanity as a threat. While it makes for great movies, leading AI researchers agree we are decades, if not centuries, away from anything resembling that. Creating a general artificial intelligence, one that can think and reason like a human across many different domains, is an incredibly complex challenge that we've only just begun to scratch the surface of. There are huge ethical and safety discussions happening right now in the AI community to make sure that as these technologies develop, they are aligned with human values and for the benefit of all. So instead of fearing AI, let's get curious about it. The best way to overcome fear is with knowledge. Learn about how it works. Think about how you could use it in your own life or work. AI is a tool, and like any powerful tool, it can be used for amazing things. It's helping us develop new medicines, tackle climate change, and explore the universe. It's creating new forms of art and music. The future isn't about humans versus machines. It's about humans with machines achieving things we could never do alone. The conversation shouldn't be, are you scared of AI? But how can we use AI to build a better world? What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.